So yeast needs sugar to create gas. This is the food that yeast needs to create gas and provide the rise for your bread. It depends on the application. Bread can be anywhere from 2% to 6%, and in Danish, probably higher. But sugar needs to be present for yeast to come alive. Yeast will eat the sugar up, and then it'll start producing carbon dioxide. Without the presence of sugar, that would be impossible. And then we go to fermentation control, right? That's closely related. If you think about yogurt or wine or beer, same thing. Yeast is helping with the fermentation, but in order to wake up yeast, to bring it to life and to nourish it, you need sugar present in your formula.